Hello everyone! In this moment, this activity is about the English conversation. I talk about introduce myself and some things about English level. Well, my name is Julia Natalia Cardenas Reina. I am 24 years old. I live here in Bogota City. About my experience in my life, I am flight attendant. And in this moment, I am working in the airport El Dorado. Previous studies about my English in the school, university, virtual courses in the SENA, and presidential with a corporation. I taught some courses about English and French. Other information, I live with my mother. I like to learn different things about the other language and try to get a conversation with the other person and try to understand the information that they give me. I like to ride a bike. I like swim. I like to swim. I just like some food like vegetables. No more about money. About the English level, in this moment, I think is the information that learned in the school, universities, and the different courses that taught. Additional, in my work in this moment, I try to put in practice my knowledge about English and try to express information with the people foreign that ask me about the information, the tickets, and change your date for flight, results about your ticket, and different information about your flight is the information in my work. And try to explain the better form this information, and it's possible that they understand. Well, about the information according the different sources or strategies to improve my English speaking skills, I consider it important when, for example, the reading have a sentence is very important about this. This sentence explains the next information. You can make it to near native level if you take advantage of your strengths and find strategies to compensate for your weakness. So, about this, I can say the three strategies very important is listen to music for develop the listen and speaking skills, and see the movies in English or as subtitles in English. For reading and writing skills is important to improve. The other important strategy, I think that it is important extensive and intensive contact with native speakers, because to try to speak and understand information between all. It's possible will introduce to many dialects and variety of social styles, and a wide range of language domains and develop a large vocabulary reserved in one or more narrow domains. It's important the second strategy. It's difficult, but it's possible. And the last strategy for me, in some cases, it's possible to talk alone and think in English and express these ideas in English, or try to develop in other circumstances or situations. This is my opinion. And thanks for listening, and see you next class. Thank you.